Hello friends, cheers, welcome to the Great White North. That is Canada. So I may have solved my wheel problem. Bearing in mind, my axle is a 9-inch Ford axle, but it seems to have Chevy hubs, which is 4 3/4 or 5x120, and the car is a 1936 Chevy, which was designed for wooden wheels or some shit, I don't know. Very, well, not very narrow, but pretty narrow. So I've got the offset to work out, I've got the bolt pattern to sort out. I think I might have solved it. Let me show you what I got today. Oh, poor thing. These are from a Honda Odyssey people mover type thingy. 16-inch wheels, decent amount of rubber, so the height will be fairly good. The offset is 5x120, which is marginally smaller than 4 3/4, but apparently they fit. The only problem I can foresee is the centre bore is a little bit small on this, so I may have to just grind this away. This is kind of a temporary solution, yet again. You know me and my temporary solutions. But if the offset is good and the PCD is good, then at least I've got something to work with. I picked them up for the bargain price of $40, so it's not the end of the world. I think it probably cost more in gas to go and pick them up. So I will jack up the back, take off a wheel, slide one of these in, see if it's going to work. Okay, let's do that then. Right, let's take a look at the results. The centre bore wasn't too bad actually. It's only a bit that deep, so even if I file down a, you know, 5 mil, couple of mil down inside the wheel there, then they'll go in. I mean, they're in pretty far anyway, but they could go in a bit further. Anyway, back to the job at hand. You're sitting just inside, which is absolutely perfect. I think the whole wheel could go back a little bit, a couple of inches that way. It's not quite centered, so that'll give me more room there as well. Inside wise, this doesn't need to be here. I can grind this off. That's obviously for the old suspension setup or something, maybe a bump stop, but I don't need that. So that is my ultimate distance inside I need. So let's see it from the back. Yeah, that's fine. If anything, I could get a slightly deeper tyre. Nah, there's no point. I'm good there. So this is basically the combination I require. I will be changing this suspension over to the 4-link, so this won't be here. Everything will get attached to that, and the bracket on the top of the diff. So overall, pretty happy. So the plan basically is to either find alloy wheels with this offset, okay, or just use the steel wheels and get nice big shiny hubcaps, or paint the wheels. I've got options, but this is going to save an absolute pain in the arse, because now I won't need to chop the diff. I won't need to narrow the axle. I just need to make these wheels look nice. Yeah, jolly good. In other news, I had said that the front was going to be useless, but I'm just an idiot. I completely forgot that the bottom of the front of the engine, the sump pan, I forgot that it slopes up by about 4 inches, which means the front of the sump should sit over there and then slope down towards the back. So I think I'll be fine with this suspension setup. I will need to widen it a little bit, or not widen this, but narrow the frame at the front so it'll come along straight and then curve in slightly and round. So that'll work as well, and that has also saved me a fortune on getting like a Crown Vic or Mustang 2 front end. I mean, it might dry crap and eventually I'll replace it with a more modern setup, but this fills me with joy. But the biggie was getting the wheels sorted. Very happy with that, and hopefully the boss will be happy as well, won't you dear? Okay folks, that's all for now. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.